Hey everyone, we're about to dive into something that is going to completely change how you use AI in your marketing. We're talking about teaching your AI to speak your language, all thanks to the brand new brand voice feature inside REI Reply.
So let me ask you a quick question. Do you ever look at the content your AI pumps out and just think, man, this sounds kind of generic? If you do, you are definitely not alone. It's a real challenge to keep that unique personality when you're using these powerful automation tools.
And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? AI is an incredible tool. It saves us so much time, but it doesn't know your brand's soul. It doesn't get your unique spark. Well, that is until now. REI Reply is seriously changing the game here.
Okay, so here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to break down what brand voice actually is, why you absolutely need it, and of course, how to build your own. Then we'll cover the huge benefits and wrap up with a few common questions. Let's get right into it.
So, first things first, what is brand voice? I love this tagline. Think of it as the personality behind your pixels.
So, at its core, brand voice in REI Reply is like a central guidebook. It's the one single place where you define your brand's unique communication style. And the goal? Well, it's pretty simple. To make sure that every piece of content, especially anything the AI creates, is perfectly and consistently on brand.
Your brand's voice really breaks down into 4 key pillars. You've got your business information, the basic facts about who you are. Then there are your brand values. These are the principles that guide every decision you make. Next up is tone and style. This is all about how you sound. Are you formal, funny? And finally, your intended CTAs, or calls to action, which tell the AI exactly what you want your audience to do. Put them all together, and you've got a complete blueprint for your brand's personality. So why bother setting this up? Well, it's all about making that leap from just creating good content to building a truly great connection with your audience. We're talking about the kind of connection that turns customers into raving fans.
The first massive win here is consistency. I mean, think about it. When every single email, every social media post, every ad, when they all sound like they came from the same person, you start to build real brand recognition. And what comes with recognition? Trust. A consistent voice isn't just about looking professional, it's about sounding trustworthy.
Next up is customization. This feature literally lets you tailor the entire REI Reply platform so it reflects your brand's unique personality. It stops feeling like just another tool and starts feeling like your tool. It becomes a true extension of your brand built just for you.
And honestly, this is where the real magic happens. By feeding the AI this super detailed guide, you're making it so much smarter. The content AI isn't just guessing your style anymore, it's equipped with it. And that unlocks way more accurate, way more personalized content that actually connects with your audience every single time.
The whole idea behind this feature is that a defined brand voice helps shape the platform to really resonate with your organization. At the end of the day, it's all about making the technology work for your brand and not the other way around. Okay, so how do you actually do it? Let's get practical. In this next part, we're going to walk through how to build your voice, and I promise it is a super simple setup for some incredibly powerful results. All right, it's just 6 easy steps. First, you're going to head over to marketing, and then click on brand boards. Easy. From there, you'll see a button that says create new brand voice. You'll want to pick the start from scratch option. Now for the fun part. You just fill in the form with all your brand's details. Those 4 pillars we just talked about. Click save, and you're almost there. The very last step is to click the 3 little dots next to your new voice and just set it as your default. And boom, that's it. Okay, so now that it's all set up, let's talk about the payoff. Let's look at the real, tangible difference this makes in your day-to-day work. I mean, just look at this before and after. It's night and day. Before, you were stuck manually typing in tone guidelines for every single AI task. What a time sink. Now, the AI just automatically adopts your brand's tone. Before, you were always running the risk of inconsistent, off-brand content. Now, everything automatically aligns with your core identity. You're going from generic AI performance to truly enhanced accuracy and relevance. It's a massive, massive upgrade. And the results really do speak for themselves. You see these huge gains across the board. Your efficiency just skyrockets because you're saving so much time. Your brand alignment gets darn near perfect. And the AI's performance gets a major boost because it's finally working with clear, specific instructions. All right, let's wrap this up by tackling a couple of questions you might be having right now. We'll give you some quick, straight-to-the-point answers. So a really common question is this:
Can I have more than one brand voice? Maybe for different parts of my business or for different audiences.
And the answer is a big, loud yes. You can absolutely create multiple brand voices within a single location in REI Reply. And then you can just pick whichever one you want and set it as the default for your AI. This gives you some amazing flexibility.
Okay, the next big question, and this one's especially for our longtime users. What happens to my existing brand boards? All that stuff I already set up.
Don't you worry, they are perfectly safe. All of your existing work, your logos, your colors, all of that is now just neatly organized in a new section called the Design Kit inside of brand boards. Nothing is gone, I promise.
So, if you only take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. Your brand's voice is now your AI's voice. They are one and the same inside REI Reply. You don't have to choose between the efficiency of AI and the personality of your brand anymore. And that really just leaves us with one final thought to chew on. Now that your AI truly speaks your language, what are you going to create first? The possibilities are pretty much endless.